Alright, this is going to be wrapping up the basic tutorial series. We're going to be packaging our project and getting it ready for testing. So first thing I'm going to do is, when I made this level, I used the demo map, which is fine. You guys may have done the same thing too, but it's not going to load from our main menu in our game. So if we open our main menu, there's no way we can get to our map that we made. It's just not there. So I'm going to replace it with Arena 2. You can do one, you can make your own, but I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way. So here's what I like to do. Inside my maps folder, this Arena 2, I'm going to rename it to Arena 9 or something. Just as long as it's not Arena 2 anymore. Save it. Then I'm going to go into my map that I created. I just use the demo map. So Sky Dungeon, maps. So I'm going to open this in a new content browser. That's my new map that we made and worked on. So I'm going to go back to my HGT folder down here, maps. I'm going to rename this map that we worked on to Arena 02. Push enter. Wait for that. And then I'm going to drag these two things into my maps folder here. Move here. Wait for this to load. Click save all just in case. And then if I click play, single player, change level, Arena 2, it loads our map. So there's a couple things there that I can change as well. So if I want to go to HGT, widgets, I think it's map selection. Widgets, type in map selection and open this up. You'll see right away if I open this up, I zoom in the test Arena 2. I'm going to change that to our map. And then click on graph. And then map 2 selection. You're going to see temporary display map name. I'm just going to type in our map here. Our map. Click save. And I also want to change the map image. So I'm going to go to, what was it called? Sky Dungeon, I think. Stylized Sky Dungeon. I'm just going to take this picture by print screen, paint. Just like that. Select this area here. I don't want that arrow in there though, so I'll just select here. Copy it. File new. No. Paste it. And I'm just going to save this and call it New Arena 2. And then I'm going to open this back up. And there's two ways you can do it. You can set the map image here, or you can replace it. What I'm going to do is go to HGT, textures, and there's Arena 2 here, so I'm going to right click in here, import, and I have my icons on desktop. So I have my new Arena 02, save all. And what I like to do is just grab the Arena 2, delete it, and then down here you'll have the option to replace it. I'm going to type in new Arena 02, click on replace reference, okay, save it, save all again just because, and if I click play, and then I go to change level, you'll see our map is now there and it's got the nice image, same here. So that's all there is to that. Now getting set up to package the game. What I like to do is on desktop, I'm going to create a new folder and I'm just going to call it our test. You can call it whatever you like. Then inside Unreal, you click on File, Package Project, or Package Project, Package Project, Windows 64. Click on your folder you just made. select folder, and this will package. Ideally, when you're in your level, mine said the lighting needs to be rebuilt. So you'd want to do that first. So all you do there is click on build lighting only, and wait for that to finish. But for time constraints, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to build it as it is. I'm going to pause the video until this is done what it's doing. Hopefully we get a couple of errors and we can sort them out, but it's hard to say. I guess we'll see. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back when it compiles. Alright, so our project just packaged. We got the successful. I think there was some warnings there, but nothing that's game breaking. It's just something to do with my AI behavior kit. Not a big deal, not even in this project. So I'm going to minimize, then we go to our folder. And we open that up. Try to open it up. There we go, and then we'll see Windows No Editor. Then we double click that. And AVG likes to stop mine from working, so that's probably going to happen in a second here. So we'll close that out. It'll probably run, but it's going to start over. Alright. And I'm just going to cancel that. Select character. And that, exactly, yeah, it restarts. Okay. Single player. Character. Change level. There's our new level. We're going to get the lighting rebuilt. That's fine. And this is our game. We can play test it. And type in stat FPS. I'm getting pretty good frames. Looks great. Rocket launcher. We got an enemy spawning over here, and there's another pack over here. And everything's working pretty good. Just gonna see how everything looks here. Another thing you want to change, I guess, you'll see more as you play, test your game. You'll find all the errors with your level. But in this case, we're going to keep working on this through the tutorials and do some advanced stuff. But I would probably block off this area down here or add a way to get back up. Because if my character jumps off down there, I'm not going to be able to get back up because this character can't get up that high. So I'm just going to unlock that door and make sure that works first. If I can get to it before the round starts. I don't think I can. Maybe. Yep, I did. I think. Yes, I did. And our boss spawned at round 4. Here he comes down there. You can also type Q to see a debug menu of how everything is functioning in the game. How many zombies are left. Shows you where you're ray tracing, or where you're tracing to get the shots there. So every time I shoot, it shows where I'm tracing. So if I shoot, it traces a straight line. There's our boss zombie. And if I open this level, it should spawn these guys in. Actually, I think my nav mesh only goes this far, so it's probably not going to work. Yeah, that's true. So that's all there is to it. This package great. Frames are good. The boss works fine. Everything works as it should. So I'm going to be starting the advanced tutorial soon. That'll include some barricades, some zombies climbing over things, a pack-a-punch system, some advanced animations for first-person mode. I'll probably start that first. And we'll take it from there. Hope this helped you guys out, and have a good one.